Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Apple Cash restrictions often arise from identity or account issues. Read this first and act legally. Do not try to bypass protections or exploit system weaknesses. Follow Apple's verification path to lift limits and keep your account safe. These limits exist to prevent fraud and to comply with regulations. I will explain how to resolve common flags using approved steps and documentation. Stay patient and provide accurate information to speed resolution. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID profile to start verification. Select Payment and Shipping and confirm your legal name, address, and date of birth carefully. When prompted, upload a government ID with a clear photo and readable text. Make sure the name on the ID exactly matches your Apple ID name. Add a verified phone number and email that you actively use for confirmations. These steps help Apple validate your identity quickly and correctly. If verification does not clear restrictions, contact Apple support directly for Apple Cash review. Request a specific review or escalation and describe the steps you already completed. Submit any requested documents through the official support channels only. Keep records of confirmation numbers and communication dates for reference. Expect responses and resolution to take up to several business days, depending on the review. Follow any follow-up instructions promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.